In bowling, the best thing you can do is knock all 10 down and get a strike. Well, today, that's the exact opposite. Because every time you get a strike, you get 0 for the shot. So, rule is simple.
Don't strike.
Don't strike.
Make your spares.
And make your spares. That's the name of the game. Got any questions?
I don't have any questions. Do you have any questions?
I just told the rules, so I don't have any questions. So tell me
All
we're
right,
good to go.
let's get into it. Hope you don't lose.
So Brandon's going to take his first shot here. And you notice that he's using his plastic ball. Well, we're using our plastic balls because they're meant to make spares and not throw strikes. So we're going to throw plastic balls because they're not going to strike. At least that's my strategy. I hope his strikes a lot, and yeah.
I have reactive, but it's going to help me with some spares, not all of them.
So, plastic time.
Bringing out my trusty hammer effect for this tough bucket.
Nine is good. 9 is going to be the name of this game. Because the more you get 9, that's the best you can do. And if you get 10, you get 0. So the goal is to get 9 and make the spares. That's the goal. It's that simple.
No. Are you serious? Are you serious?
You know, typically,
That's
I'd give
good.
you a screaming high five right now. But I'm still going to give you one anyway, because I love that.
Typically, I hate it when that happens. But right now, I love it. Yeah. You're really trying to get 9 on the second ball then.
Yeah, if you get 10, it's 0 again. Might as well have tried to get 10 anyway.
Might as well try to strike again.
Really, I just wanted to make sure that one didn't hook that time and go high. I'm really glad I didn't roll 2-pin there.
No. Hook.
So I'm gonna not say this very loud because I don't want them to hear my strategy. But my strategy, I'm gonna go light, try to go light every time, and just do that, and just hope that it doesn't strike. Because the name of the game is gonna be to not open. You know, this is kind of like low ball, but opposite. Because when you play low ball, if you get 0, it counts as 10 when you're trying to knock down the least amount of pins possible. Well, in this game, if you get 10, it counts as 0 when you're trying to knock down the highest amount possible. And that sounded like a lot. That was a strike again. Nice job, Brandon.
I love it how when I was practicing for this, I couldn't strike at all. Now, when I hit the 1-2, it strikes every time. Strikes every time.
Perfect. Never really been more excited in my life to miss a head pin than right now.
That was more out of anger, because when I throw it good and I hope for 9, it smacks the 7 out.
I feel like I got cruise control on right now.
I love it. I love it, because when I try to strike, I can't strike. When I try to get 9, I strike.
You know, that really does kind of stink, but at the same time, Brandon's got like 0 3 times this game because he's knocked down all 10 3 times this game.
Stay up, please. Please, I don't need a gutter spare.
You know, I'm going to take my track cycle and I'm going to throw it back up. Try to make the washout to have a little fun. I don't really want to shoot it straight and I feel like I'm guaranteed 3, so. Brandon, what do you think, over, under? 2.5.
I think 2. Should have said 1. You know what? For the back half of the game, I think I'm gonna let you start first.
You think so?
Yep.
Quick score update. Got 59 in the fifth. Which really isn't very good, but when your opponent's got 31, that's pretty good.
Roll it out. Are you serious? Are you serious? I haven't thrown this many logs with my spare ball ever. Ever. And I have 2. Can we count that?
No, that's 0. Uh-oh.
You can take this one. I don't even want to win anymore. You know what? I don't even want to win. Because when I hit the pocket, it strikes. When I throw it left, it stays to the left.
Well, you know what's crazy is that.
This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. It doesn't matter how hard I try to miss. I can't miss. I can't miss.
You're doing really good right now, by the way. So, Brandon, I'm going to try to not do what you're doing, and I'm going to try to get 9 again. Because, you know, I got this plan that all I'm trying to do is leave a 2-pin, and it's working out okay so far.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yep. Stay up.
Perfect.
Stay up. You wouldn't want to fall for him, would you? You wouldn't want to fall. You know what? Take it or leave it. You want to take it? It's not going to matter anyway. You're already up by 50.
Can somebody tell me how that works? Can somebody please tell me in what world that is okay?
Sorry. Do you want me to throw my next ball like that too? Oh no. Look, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gutters.
I think I'm just gonna, you know, keep it simple and just keep trying to leave a 2-pin.
Stay, please. Stay. Thank you. Thank you. Stay, 10-pin. Thank you.
It's staying, don't worry.
We still got a match here.
Do we?
Never say die. Stay. I don't need that falling. You know, if those messengers would have stood, you know, we might be talking about a different little scenario here.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. We're trying to leave makeables. Because we got such a good lead on him, it doesn't matter. Because he can't double to catch up to me. Now you're really helping yourself. I think I got this one. But I feel like we should add a little twist to have a little fun with it. You can throw any ball you want,
I'll stick with the plastic ball.
any endless 10th frame.
Okay.
So here's the rules. Every strike you get is 10 pins. You keep going until you stop striking. However many strikes you get, that's what you end with. I still have my 10th frame to do whatever I want, but you have to throw minimum 4 strikes. I'll let you keep the 5th one if the 5th one doesn't strike, but you have to throw minimum 4 strikes right now.
All right.
That's pretty fair, you know, gives him a chance because he hasn't been trying to strike and, you know, he's got to start somewhere.
Come on. I need a lot more. Now's the time where I need like one of them logs.
I just want you to know I have the same endless 10th frame.
Yeah, but my look with my plastic ball is way better than yours. Hook!
2 for 2. Shot. He still needs 2 more or it's an auto lose. Done. That's 3. That's 3. Good shot.
Come on.
You still have to have this one for any pressure. Without this one, I can throw both of them in the gutter and still win. I already have 106, and that is game over. Hey, let's give it a try.
You know what they say? Greatness doesn't wait, but greatness is gonna have to wait.
I'm gonna finish my game out.
Whatever. This video's over because I lost. So I really
didn't
don't
strike
care
anyway,
what you
so.
do in the 10. And it sounds like you just got 6.
I got 7. No, I only got 1, but that's okay because I still won.
Whatever. I think that one's gonna wrap this one up.
It sure is.
Make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And that's gonna do it. Peace.
Peace.